Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accounts. This groups all sign-in controls so you edit passwords safely. Once there, pick Sign-in Options. It shows password, PIN, and security keys. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account and have your existing password available. You'll need it to prove identity. This step prevents lockouts and ensures changes apply system-wide, so don't skip verifying admin status before proceeding to change credentials. Now click Change under Password and follow the prompts. Windows requires the current password to authorize updates. You'll type the current password, then enter a new one twice for confirmation. Choose a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider a password manager if you use many accounts. Once you submit, Windows updates your account credential immediately. If your account is linked to a Microsoft account, the change syncs online, so make sure you're comfortable syncing before continuing. Finish by signing out or locking the screen, then sign back in with the new password to verify it works. This confirms the change applied correctly. If you can't sign in, use the Microsoft account password reset link or local account recovery questions. These are your primary recovery paths. Make sure to add a PIN or Windows Hello biometric as a quick backup so you're not reliant on the full password. If problems persist, check caps lock, keyboard layout, and restart before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.